What is a wealth creator? A wealth creator is a person that knows how to create, to grow, to protect, and to enjoy their wealth. So for me, that meant that at the age of 37, we were financially independent and free, and that is what I'm being enjoying. So I'm 67 at the moment. This means for the last 30 years, I've literally done whatever I wanted to do, where I want to do it, when I want to do it, with whom I wanted to do it, without worrying about money. So how on earth do you become a wealth creator? You apply the wealth creator strategy. So if I can give you a definition of the wealth creator strategy, and I stress this to my students that they have to understand there are 7 pillars on which it stands. But the quick definition is the intelligent use of limited resources to go from where you are to where you want to be in the shortest possible time with the least amount of risk. Now, risk is the main thing when it comes to the major investments. There's only 2 parts when it comes to investments. There's the risk and the growth. But these 2 are actually the same thing. So the moment that I take my money and I give it to someone else to do on my behalf, I'm breaking the formula for riches. This means that I am taking all the risk because I've got no control what they are going to do with my money, where they're going to place, when they're going to place it. And for that reason, because I do not understand the risk, I cannot learn the skills to offset, mitigate, or eliminate the risk completely. And this is where the power starts coming in. So will I give my money to someone else to do this on my behalf? And the answer is categorically no. You can do whatever you want. It's your money. But will I do it? No ways. Will they give me the kind of growth that I can get and that I'm getting? The answer is also no. So risk is when you do not know or understand what you are doing. And this is what Warren Buffett said. And this is crucial that we understand it. So the only way that I know of in order to offset risk or to mitigate or to manage risk is to have high value skills. And the most important skill is high value mental skills. It's our belief systems. It's our attitude. If there's a program that is running a belief system, a mental program, it simply means that you're not going to do the things that you need to do. You're not going to follow the processes. And that is where 99% of people are going wrong. They do one course, they read something, they check a video, and then they don't stick to it because you can't necessarily gain a skill in 2 or 3 minutes or 20 minutes. And because we are conditioned to believe in this immediate gratification that there's a quick fix for everything, we rather take our money, work really hard for it, and then give it to someone else, thinking that a miracle is going to happen. It's not going to happen, my friend. I can guarantee you that. So the problem is that no one is teaching us these high-value mental skills, right? In order to create, to grow, to protect, and to enjoy our wealth. And that is where everything goes wrong, because the school system, the educational system, the financial system, they do not want you to know this stuff. Of course, in the Wealth Creators University, we take people and teach them how to do it, because all skills are teachable and trainable. In other words, we're not born with these skills. By the way, the higher faculties of the mind, we were born with it. But because of conditioning, we forgot about them, or we did not enhance them. And that is where the problem comes in. Then we start with financial skills. Whenever I do any investment or I see something as an investment, first of all, you have to be able to apply the ruler's principle. This gives me then a guidelines when I do any investment, if it's property, if it's cryptos, if it's a business, or if it's arbitrage. By doing that, you get a phenomenal growth. The ruler's principle, it's an acronym. The first R stands for radar. Will that investment class come onto my radar, or a specific investment? Only when my investment growth rate on that, in terms of asymmetrical structure, is better than my FFGR, then yeah, it's on my radar, and then the process starts. The second, the U of a ruler stands for you need to understand. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing, or from not understanding what you're doing. If you give your money to someone else, you are taking all the risk. Plus, you've got no control over the growth. And that is why they give you a miserable 10, 20, if you're lucky, 40%. Right? And after the commissions, I do not know of a lot of people that on a regular basis could give you more than 40, 50%. It is virtually impossible or unheard of. unless they do not take any fees or commission from that. The next one is love. I'm not going to do something that I do not like just for the money. When I do an arbitrage, I'm looking for those deals where I love the outcome. I love the result of what that deal can give you. For example, in cryptos, everyone thinks that I'm investing in cryptocurrencies. That's not the case. I'm investing in the blockchain. And the coins are just a way to measure the performance of that blockchain. But I'm not investing in a coin as such, the way that other people do. And then the E stands for event. So the event, we create that event, literally. And one of the ways to create an event is to look at trends. In other words, trends in technology. And if you put the trends in the technology, for example, artificial intelligence, AI that is coming on, if you start combining these, there's a definite trend. And these are the things that I'm betting on. Another one that is on the ruler's principle is the second R. We call it risk reversal. In other words, I want to take my money off that deal as quickly as possible, all right? I do not want to work with my money or the business's money. I want that to grow according to the formula, organically, without going to the bank, without doing any structures. The moment that you start doing that, you are opening yourself up for massive potential of failure. And I see people are doing that on a regular basis. The S of the ruler's principle simply stands for, there's actually three things that it can stand for. Major thing is the story. So if I see that this is not working for me, the storyline changes, I'm not going to do it anymore. But it also stands for structure, and structure is an acronym that I'm using that my students will know. And I apply that in structuring the financial side as well as the entities in order to get the maximum. But it can also stand for systems, because in the system I get to the structure and therefore I can see the story change. So when I say the S, sometimes I'm referring to the story, sometimes to structure, sometimes to the system. So make sure that you understand how it actually works at the end of the day. So all you have to do, if you are serious, only if you're serious, is to type the word roadmap into the comment section, right? And that will then, we will pick this up and we are going to send you a free property assessment form. You simply fill that in and then we'll come back and keep you in the loop as quickly as possible, right? And by doing that, we can map out your future together for what is best for you, taking your circumstances into consideration. We are all at different levels. There's no one solution to everything because we are unique. Our situation is unique. Our circumstances is unique, as well as our environment. And therefore, because of all this experience that we've built over the last 40 years, we can help you in terms of what is that investment strategy. That is, of course, if you want, right? So it's a very short assessment. It's going to take you less than about 3 minutes, make it 3 minutes. And by doing this, we'll help you to identify the biggest opportunities as well as risks, to show you which skills or strategies you need next, because any investment works on skill levels. So in property, for example, there are 7 different skill levels. We'll show you where to start, what is the strategy, what is the skill that you have to master. And we can do it very, very, very quickly. Of course, if you are prepared to put in the time, the effort in order to do that. So we can help you. So by filling in that little form, you're going to help us to understand how we can support you on a personal level or individual level. So if you qualify for our mentorship program, we're going to show you exactly how it works. What if you do not qualify, if you are not ready yet? Then we still give you the full feedback as well as the next steps. There's not going to be any pressure. It's just going to be add value so that when you're ready, we can start with this journey. But to get ready sometimes takes a little bit of time and effort and a little bit of study in order to get to that level where you can say, okay, now I'm ready. I understand the terminology. We can start with this process. Who's this perfectly? If you have got no properties, but you've got a job and you want to invest in properties, then of course this is you in the best of situation, because there's no mistake that you can make. Most people have already bought, or a lot of people already bought properties, and now they have to correct that. Not that they can't do it, but you've got an unfair advantage over those people, right? Also, if you're owner, you just started, maybe you've got 1 or 3, and now you get stuck, you can't get on. You want to scale, but you don't know how to do it. We can help you there. And this plan will show that. Also, if you're invested and you feel stuck or overwhelmed, once we had a student that had 600 properties, and he was on the brink to lose all of those properties, right? And we basically start taking him through the process. So if you're overwhelmed, we can show you that there's far better ways. You don't need to be overwhelmed with the amount of properties, or even with the information that you've got, especially on our mentoring programs. Or maybe you're someone that are tired of guessing and you are ready for a plan. Simply type in the word roadmap, and then you're going to discover the fastest and smartest path to go from where you are to where you want to be in the shortest possible time. And I hope that is called financial freedom. You can, of course, also join our free property accelerator masterclass. I don't charge anything for that. And there you're going to learn to invest in property using real numbers, creative financing, as well as the wealth creative strategy. It is perfect for beginners as well as for current home owners looking to invest in property. And all you have to do is in the description area, right? You're going to find a link. You click on that link. There's a form, a place where we're going to ask you details. You fill that in and you send it. The system will book you, and all you have to do is to pitch up, and then I'm going to see you there. Thanks for your time.